Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm asking the question, is Stack Overflow dying? Let's jump into it. So I ran across the story here that Stack Exchange, the company behind Stack Overflow, is going to be trying out AI generated answers. And it's been a few years since I've written any code professionally, so it got me wondering, is AI killing Stack Overflow? Well, I'm afraid the news isn't good, but let's back up a little bit. In May of last year, Stack Exchange announced a partnership with OpenAI where Stack Exchange content, which they paid nothing for, by the way, would be fed into OpenAI and used by its models. This created a bit of an uproar. Developers started deleting content that they had contributed because they didn't want their work to be used to build AI. So at this point, there's a few ways to look at Stack Exchange. They could be viewed as just being greedy and have zero concern for their user base, or they are desperate and need a source of revenue to offset a drop caused by the use of AI by developers. I think at that time, either interpretation could be valid. I mean, Stack Exchange was bought by a private equity firm, so it's not a stretch to believe the OpenAI deal was just a money grab. And over the course of the last year or 18 months or so, there have been multiple articles and posts about Stack Overflow's decline and traffic. Here's a chart someone uploaded to Reddit that apparently shows the decline. Here's another chart of the number of questions asked by month. So yeah, AI tools seem to be replacing Stack Overflow itself, which is kind of ironic that AI is putting Stack Overflow out of business and not the developers who gave them the content which they have monetized. Maybe some cosmic justice there. And this brings us to today's news. Stack Exchange announced a new feature called Answers Assistant. This feature will use AI to generate answers to questions that have gone unanswered for some period of time. Apparently, Stack Overflow will not be one of the first sites this feature is tested on for obvious reasons. That user base is rather loudly anti-AI. But there's probably a bit of an issue here. If Stack Overflow content is used to train the AI, and the AI is being used to answer questions that go back into the training for the AI, you see where I'm going here. Don't we have a bit of a self-feeding AI loop that is going to diminish the quality of both Stack Overflow content and the AI itself? It really sounds like a pickle for the Stack Overflow owners. So taking all this into consideration, Stack Overflow really appears to be dying a slow death. And while it's sad to see something like that go, it's owned by a private equity firm who has absolutely no concern for developers or coding education in general. So I'm not really all that sad for them. But what do you think? Is this the end of an era or the natural progression of technology? Leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time.